has the air quality changed in Central Ohio over the last few years? In general, we've observed an improvement in air quality. The two pollutants we're most concerned with are ozone and particle pollution, or PM 2.5. First, let's look at PM 2.5. This is a plot showing the monthly maximum 24-hour PM 2.5 concentrations from 2003 through 2009. We can see that PM 2.5 levels have gradually improved during the last few years. At the same time, the federal standard has become stricter in an effort to improve public health. The number of high PM 2.5 days especially has been reduced. As a result, the percentage of days with air quality index levels that are unhealthy for sensitive groups or higher has generally declined. The story for ozone is a little different. Ozone is only a concern. For more information about air quality in Central Ohio, please visit airquality.morpsey.org.
Weather is a key factor that strongly influences air quality, and the July 2010 air quality episode in the Youngstown-Warren region serves as a good example of the weather conditions that are favorable for the production of both ozone and particle pollution. This episode was a regional multi-day event that led to AQI levels that were unhealthy for sensitive groups in portions of the Ohio River Valley, the eastern Great Lakes, and the Mid-Atlantic states. In the Youngstown-Warren region, AQI levels were high moderate to unhealthy for sensitive groups for 6 days in a row. AQI levels reached a peak of 137 on July 8th, the last day of the episode. This is an animation of the upper-level weather pattern from July 2nd through July 9th, observed at an altitude of about 20,000 feet. Upper-level high pressure moving over Ohio limited mixing and ventilation in the atmosphere, trapping pollutants near the ground. This high pressure also produced sunny skies and temperatures in the upper 80s to low 90s that persisted for several days. These conditions enhanced the formation of ozone. This plot shows that as temperatures increased and remained high throughout the episode, AQI levels also increased. The surface weather pattern also contributed to poor air quality throughout the region. Surface high pressure over northeastern Ohio at the beginning of the episode produced light and variable winds, allowing pollutants to accumulate in the Youngstown region. Later in the episode, as surface high pressure moved east, southerly winds developed across Ohio. These winds transported additional pollutants into the region. After 6 days of poor air quality, a cold front approached Ohio from the west. This cold front produced cloudy skies and cooler temperatures on July 9th, limiting the formation of ozone. As the front passed, moderate northwesterly winds dispersed pollutants and brought cleaner, drier air into the region, finally lowering AQI levels to good. The weather conditions during this event were representative of a typical air quality episode, but what made this episode noteworthy was that it persisted for nearly a week. Many episodes last only 1 or 2 days. To stay informed on air quality in the Youngstown-Warren region, please visit mahoningvalleyair.org. Sign up to receive local air quality forecasts and real-time alerts at enviroflash.info.
Since 1997, EPA's Air Now program has provided a common framework for acquiring and distributing air quality information. It's a community effort of over 130 federal, state, local, and tribal air quality agencies across the U.S., Canada, and Mexico. This partnership results in reliable and accurate information that protects public health and informs all of us about the air we breathe. Each day, hundreds of thousands of people use Air Now information to find out the quality of the air they are breathing and avoid exposure to unhealthy air. By using the Air Quality Index, or AQI, people can quickly learn about the quality of the air, going from green for good air quality through orange, red, and purple for air that is unhealthy to breathe. Air Now is the national air quality collection and notification system. It brings in real-time air quality data collected at a local level by Air Now partner agencies from over 2,000 monitoring sites. Air Now also collects local air quality forecasts from these agencies. As the national system, AirNow collects, processes, and standardizes air quality information across the nation. So information from Washington, D.C. Shanghai, China will be the first region to run the AirNow International software. Scientists, forecasters, and software engineers from the U.S. and Shanghai have jointly developed the new AirNow International system. Through a cooperative agreement with the Shanghai Environmental Protection Bureau, the U.S. EPA is working with colleagues in Shanghai to install the AirNow International system for the 2010 World Expo. The 2010 World Expo in Shanghai, which starts on May 1, 2010 and runs for 6 months, expects over 70 million visitors. AirNow International will help the Shanghai Environmental Protection Bureau during the World Expo by providing a system to ensure that reliable and high-quality data are available to decision-makers, expo attendees, and visitors. EPA intends to share AirNow International with other interested countries and organizations to build a worldwide community for the exchange of environmental data and advancement in air quality knowledge and applications.